Did you know the healing wonders of oranges? It's a common fruit, enjoyed worldwide, yet many are unaware of the incredible health benefits packed within each vibrant sphere. Oranges, bright as the sun and as refreshing as a cool breeze on a hot day, are much more than a simple delight to our taste buds. This humble fruit, with its tangy sweetness, boasts a wealth of healing properties that have been celebrated for generations. Bursting with essential nutrients and antioxidants, oranges serve as a powerful shield against a myriad of health issues. Their high vitamin C content, for instance, is globally recognized for its ability to boost the immune system, while the rich fiber content aids in digestion. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of nutritional and healing wonders hidden within the orange peel and juicy pulp. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of oranges and their extraordinary benefits. Oranges, they're not just a tasty snack or a breakfast staple, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Now let's delve deeper into the world of this citrus marvel and explore its nutritional profile. Oranges are a rich source of essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, but what truly sets them apart is their high content of vitamin C. Each medium-sized orange is packed with nearly 70 milligrams of this potent antioxidant. That's more than 100% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin C is a crucial player in our body's immune system. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, our body's primary line of defense against harmful pathogens. So, next time you feel a cold creeping in, reach for an orange. It might just give your immune system the boost it needs to ward off the illness. But the benefits of vitamin C don't stop there. It's also a key contributor to skin health. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, a protein that keeps our skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Regular consumption of oranges can help you maintain a radiant complexion and slow down the visible signs of aging. Oranges also contain a wealth of other vitamins and minerals. They are a good source of B vitamins, including folate, which is essential for brain health and cell maintenance. They also provide potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, and flavonoids, antioxidants that have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Let's not forget about fiber. A single orange contains over 4 grams of dietary fiber, contributing to good digestive health and aiding in weight management. And, the best part, all these benefits come in a low-calorie package. A medium-sized orange has only about 60 calories, making it a guilt-free snack that you can enjoy anytime. So the next time you peel open an orange, remember you're not just enjoying a piece of fruit. You're nourishing your body with a wide array of vital nutrients. You're harnessing the power of nature to boost your health and wellness. Isn't it amazing how much goodness is packed in this humble fruit? The benefits of oranges extend far beyond their nutritional content. This vibrant citrus fruit has a long-standing reputation in traditional medicine, with its healing properties revered across generations. From ancient times, oranges have been used to alleviate various ailments. The high vitamin C content in oranges is known to boost immunity, aiding the body's natural defense against pathogens. Additionally, the presence of fiber in oranges supports digestive health, providing a natural remedy for constipation. But the healing wonders of oranges don't stop there. These tangy treats are packed with powerful antioxidants, substances that combat free radicals in our bodies. These free radicals, if left unchecked, can lead to chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. By including oranges in our diet, we're equipping our bodies with the necessary tools to fight against these harmful agents. Oranges, with their vibrant color and refreshing taste, offer more than just a burst of sunshine. The healing wonders of oranges truly are remarkable. Now that we have explored the healing wonders of oranges, it's time to wrap up. We've journeyed through the rich history of oranges, how they've been used in past generations for their myriad of health benefits. We've delved into the nutritional powerhouse that is the humble orange, packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. An orange a day could indeed keep the doctor away, as we've discovered their potential role in boosting immunity, promoting heart health, and even their potential for skin care. The versatility of this vibrant fruit is truly remarkable, from being a refreshing snack to a potent ingredient in health and wellness. As we've seen, the healing wonders of oranges are more than just folklore or old wives' tales. They're based on science, backed by research, and validated by generations of experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next video in our Healing Wonders series.